So as you can see, there is plenty of fanfare here, and Sports Today may be there at the venue there, but we at Sports Today have decided to be with the fans also. I am right here at the M stand, and look at it. This is the line of fans, and if you look even behind me also, La Alves Celeste, and I got one fan here. How long have you been waiting here?
5 hours. 5 hours.
5 hours you have been waiting.
I woke up 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh my God, you woke up at 5 in the morning.
Are you?
Yes, Sports Today.
The channel's name.
Sports Today. So see, people do have some bed, and look at it. People are still flooding through at this stage. I may have to shout a bit more here because look at it. The fans are waiting here because there is one problem. The problem here is that Messi's flight has been delayed. As we all know at this stage, Messi's flight has been delayed by 40 minutes. And that is why the event will start 40 minutes. You all know that there was a bit of a AQI situation. For flights were delayed. There was an issue when you have to look at the flights. 40 flights were delayed, 40 flights were cancelled, and that is why at this stage the music is blaring at this point. I have decided to be with the fans here and see. This is the current situation. I can't show much of the playing field because of obvious situations. Some fans here are waiting very patiently. Hi. And they are all just hoping to catch a glimpse of Lionel Messi at this stage. So yeah, that is the way I look at it. So here at the fan enclosure, I have to be very careful. Mixed loyalty though. Some have got Barcelona fans. Some have got the Barcelona jersey because if you look at it, Messi's main name was like this. So see, I'll just give you a panorama of what's going on here. See, right through here. Yeah, I am at the M stand at this stage. So yeah, we are waiting for Lionel Messi to come, but unfortunately the event has been delayed by 40 minutes. But that is not dampening the enthusiasm of the fans. As I spoke to one fan, 5 hours he's been waiting for Messi to come, and look at it. Even now, the fog and pollution we have reduced, but you still have a lot of things. So it's absolutely raw at this point, raw footage. And as you can see behind me, Barcelona fans, all of them, just waiting to soak in the experience. So this is the way I'm looking at it. So yeah, Messi Go Tour live from the stands at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. It's going to be very interesting. 40-minute delay. Let's see how it pans out. Sorry for the music, but it can't be helped. So me, Siddharth Viswanathan from Sports Today.